Welcome to Sassy Expression, your go-to destination for everything social media. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on any of our content. Watching a TikTok live with Jaden and Destiny. Jaden asked Destiny for a lion, and the answer that Destiny gave Jaden was out of this world. Watch this.
Problem. You begging me a lion, you gone back to Ashley?
Yard, sir.
So, we're Ashley then now.
Yeah, so you might be wondering, who is Ashley? Well, that's his ex that threw him out of his house a few days ago on TikTok Live. She is the girlfriend seen in the video on your screen right now. Let's continue the video.
Eh?
Where's Ashley?
Ashley gone back or whatever she want, me don't know.
But is the girl place that she rent?
Yeah, see a theme place.
And a fear bed that's, and it's the same bed you at?
No. Sir, you don't understand the whole situation.
Please, when you come over, don't address me, sir.
No, but a service.
Address what you see. You see Destiny, so address Destiny.
No, a service.
Yes, sir.
Just work with me, I say, sir. You me, I say.
No, works. All right, ma'am. No disrespect. Okay, ma'am. What do you say now?
Okay, all right, sir. You me, I say.
Okay, ma'am. No problem, ma'am.
All right, sir. No, man, I just back up. Just back up. Yeah, just back up. Keep still, so. Me, I say, this are mine. Well, everything we see in our room are mine. Me never rent the place, you see it. Cause of Italian link, you see it. Me never rent the place, you know, sir.
So who rent the place, ma'am?
Eh?
Who rent the place, ma'am?
I'm telling the whole story, sir.
Uh-huh.
You see, first time I did there at my brother's house and my brother kicked me out, you know, sir. You see it. And
Yes, ma'am.
you want to stop calling me she, you know? Yeah. And it's when my brother kicked me out, Italian reach out to me and said, he have a place, but me never have no money. You see, the girl did have money. You see, so the girl rent the place. You see it. You see what I said?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, sir. And then, so come now, the real woman get to rent the place, you see it. And me buy me thing them. Well, them did already buy still, you see, but me never put it up in my brother house because me just never feel like the room they too small enough for bed going and the bed. You see me, I say, sir? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, mommy.
No, sir. You me, I say, sir. Yeah, but
No, mommy, calm down. You may understand. So let me ask you something now, mommy.
no, sir. Yeah, sir, just calm down, sir.
So you're living off a woman?
Yeah, basically, real woman.
But I heard you saying that you will do anything for a foreign woman. So why not doing anything for a Jamaican woman? Oh, you like sweets. You're a sweetie ball.
Yeah. I'm a man, like, I love sweets and I'm not going to hide it.
Oh.
Everybody loves sweets, man or woman, you know? Man.
Okay.
But I guess, yeah, both of them, though. But anyways.
I'm a man. Everybody knows me's a man in me because I don't afraid to tell people I'm a man in me. Everybody know I'm a man. Man in me.
You're gonna stay like Dolly, you see it? Yeah, you understand?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So, yeah, give me the line now.
A foreign woman can beat and a Jamaican woman can beat you.
No, me never, well, from the green card, you know, anything is possible, you know?
But your girlfriend doesn't have any green card because she live in Holland. Holland, we don't use green card. Holland is right beside of me, like 1 hour away.
Alright, you get it wrong. You don't know about her. You see it. It's a real woman. Let me tell you. The
Yes,
woman.
she's a woman, but no. The only country that use green card is America. Europe doesn't use green card.
Let me explain myself now, sir.
All right, ma'am. All right, no, ma'am. All right, no. We're going for a girl. Stop going for man. All right.
She have a family. She have some family in the US. You see it.
Mm-hmm.
So she mostly stay in the US. But when time she look for her other family, you see, because she have 2 fathers. You see, is a real woman, as me say, yeah? Real woman, my woman, real. ex-woman, real woman. You see?
Yeah. One Rasta girl, yeah.
Yeah. And she look good and she have real pum pum. But anyways, yeah.
Oh, my Lord of the... Yeah.
So what else? Everything, what else?
But it doesn't matter if she have family in the US. That doesn't make any sense. She's an Allen citizen.
No, she's not an Allen citizen. She's not. I made it there with the woman and you know.
Owned by Barbie, thank you.
I made it there with the woman and you know. You see it.
So you're telling me that she's not from the Netherlands?
No, she's not from the Netherlands, but she have family from the Netherlands, you see it. She's not from Switzerland either.
We never say she's from Switzerland. She's not. She never lived in Europe before.
No, she stay in Europe. She never live in Europe.
But I heard people saying that she's a European citizen. She's from the Netherlands.
Remember, say me the Ramonti old, you know. Me the Ramonti real pum pum, you know. You see it. Because a real woman, as me say, real woman. You see it.
Said on the life she's not from America. Then if she's not from America, where she's from?
Like, you know, hear me say. You know, hear me say.
So the green card, they did what? Just the green card, they did what?
I'm tell you something. You know, people in the comments, you know, come going like a unu did a Ramonti girl old. You see it. You know, come going like a unu did a tweet. And me, bro, I'm not unu, bro. You see it. So when me I tell you, you better take it as that, bro. You see it. All if I lie, me I tell, bro. You just take it as that. She is from Canada. How which girl this? Oh, you're really girl, I can't stay. Anyways.
Oh, he's from Canada.
No, she's not from Canada.
Say no, say no, from Canada.
Well, in a really long conversation, I come for add with us still, you know. It's just a lie, you know.
Listen, the girl live in the Netherlands because I know somebody who know her from the Netherlands. And she have family from the Caribbean. I'm not going to say here. Remember I'm a FBI? But I'm not going to say it here.
You're not
She's
FBI.
from the Caribbean. And she live in the Netherlands. She have family in Denmark. And she have family in Rotterdam. So come here now, say something here, come on video and say, foreign woman can do this, foreign woman can beat, foreign woman can piss, when they can do anything,
No, that's not me. That's a boy that's a scammer from
So I see Devrel exposing some message with you and him. That's true?
No. And me not really too like call up the man and him, you know, because I don't want by man when him get up him say wall up somebody upon him live, you know. Yeah, me not really want to call up him name. You see?
Well, Devrel can't say anything because Devrel is my friend for years. Yes, Devrel is my friend before in TikTok.
So, yeah.
Me and Devrel used to talk. We used to talk in video call. Laura know me. Good. Because I speak to Laura before. What is it? Me and his friend. We're not dating. He's his friend. His good friend from back then. Back in the days on Instagram. That we used to talk.
Me and you are not friend, but something you know. Me and you is not friend. You see, me and you is not friend. Yeah. Devil and you are friend. Not me and you.
They couldn't be friend with you, my love, car.
Kawa.
Me don't say no. So where the girl you know?
Me no business what the girl want, Devil.
But
Me not
even-
business charging.
But even if so, the girl pay the rent for this, so.
Yeah.
Oh, but the girl should have put it out to if him should have put it to the furniture them, which is right.
When you go sleep.
But if one put me to one out to one my look, nothing put me out to the furniture them, which is right. Coming you know, sleep on my bed.
Yeah. You know how it feel for you move up every time and your furniture them get mashed up.
Destiny decided that Jaden won't be getting a lion without any consequences. This part of the live will have you rolling on the floor. Do you think Jaden should stop asking everyone for a lion? Let me know on the comments.
You know how it feel if you move every time and your furniture them get mashed up. Bust like Carl Pan a bumbo clock, big bed that we can't hold through the door there. Or when it sit sideways.
Okay.
Probably you know, bedded, you know. This
I don't have any, that's why I want to come and chuck in here and...
Also, I'm good. Me do.
I know that's why I want to go sleep this and so that bed look good, man. I can clean that wash, you know. I can make porridge, rice porridge. I'm in a can. I can't be there sitting there. Ask you, remember I can't cook. Remember no Rosalie, you know if you cook good.
So I say Rosalie can't cook.
I can't cook my curry chicken, the rice and peas, pigtail. I know if I do everything.
So you know no lion in there? No lion.
Oh, you like kids. Then if you beg me lion then, a man can touch around this so then.
No.
No? When a man,
man.
let me explain something to you. When a man loves sweets, a man can do, me as a trans man can do you anything.
No, man can't. Watch you know. Me now come with the intent for you try do me now. Cause if I try do me, my box you don't kill you.
You can't box it down, my love, because that's taking your throat.
No, well.
So you want a lion from me?
Yeah. Watch you know, more here more you do. More you recycle the kind. You have to recycle the kind, you see. Cause me don't want you use your bottom money and give me. You have to recycle what people give you. You see. That me have to have.
Right.
Yeah.
So you want me to send you a lion?
Yo, you don't need to ask for charge.
Let me tell you something. You better don't have a pigtail underneath you because I don't drink stew peas.
No, you're not fair go on, son. You're not fair go on
I'm
them
just
with
letting you
it.
know.
Watch out, it's a man-to-man talk. Eh? It's a man-to-man talk. Just...
Okay, so let me say man-to-man talk. Alright, let me just go. Alright, man-to-man talk. So let me give him my advice then. So where I say you want a lion? Yo, daddy. Father. Father, where you going? Where I say you want a lion? Alright then. No matter worry yourself, man. Come on for the lion. I send you a lion. Father. Who was that? That was my boyfriend. I'm sorry. That was my boyfriend. Stay over there. Like, don't come over here. This life is not for you. That was my boyfriend was talking. What are you saying? To be honest, I want to send you a line, but I can't do it on this page. I have to do it on a fake page. But I will tell you the fake page in your inbox.
No, man, you don't have to text me. You don't have to text me. Just send a lion. I don't want no text, no. I don't want no text. Just send a lion. See people them there.
How we can't send a man a lion? We can't. Any man in here send a lion, I love them after growing on me. Them after fuck me.
All right. Have a good day, you know. It was a good reasoning with that.
No, but you can't give me lion, love, you can't touch me. If you touch me before me give me lion, love, I have to suck some cat, my love.
Man, me not touch no man, brother. Me not touch no
You
man.
have to touch some cat, some things, love, you can't get my lion free, man. Pussy, I have to go put up. You can't do that.
You're a pussy.
Batty pussy, great. Great like tiger, the tiger, great. Nice, fabulous, famous.
No pussy where can't birth a child, no great.
Allah, you tell me now, when you want to learn from this man, you no pussy. If me can't fuck me, just suck cock and drink come.
So when last you suck cock?
To be honest, a long time, I don't suck no cocky from the other day. No dropping on my throat tool. I'm like, suck balls too, you know.
Well, you don't need to tell me that because I asked about, because Chad, you know? No, my youth named Chad, same light.
Spit up all your balls, spit up all your cock, suck up all the cheese. All of the Gucci be gone, all the cheese be gone, all of the navel be gone. Jesus, all of the arm. Yes, everywhere be gone, me love. Murder.
Listen me now, sir. Not me, sir. Not me. Chad. You don't know Chad? You don't know Chad?
Who?
Chad Walters.
Which the man I always accuse Miss Blinger?
Yeah.
The blood of Jesus against it. Don't call out my name. I don't take crackers. Okay? Don't call out my name. I don't take crackers.
So I said devil and you are somebody.
You say me and Deborah friend. Deborah is not looking me. We're a friend a long time. Deborah don't have a problem. A lot of people don't have a problem with me. Like, what the hell? Remember, I know I'm the only somebody come tell people say I'm a trans woman. Even man that text me, nobody not have no problem.
Trans woman or trans man?
Trans man is a woman that turn into a man. I'm a trans woman that take hormones.
No, sir. You not teach me nothing, sir. Me just did want get it straight. Because one of them say you teach me nothing.
What is it that means say you're interested? That means sitting there away. Know them they from?
No.
Right.
No, let me tell you. Every man have to know that. You see, every man have to know that.
No, every man know that me love. As people explain that to you, me love. You're in the mess in a long time, me love. You couldn't trick me.
Well, you know, long they must say me a fish and wait for the day. Wait proof there. Oh, they must say me a fish and wait proof there. Wait proof there. They want to say I prove this now.
Where's the proof?
Yeah, wait proof. Wait proof. Wait proof there. This are the proof.
No, you know if I have the proof, I will not send it. You know that. You know that I will not show it. But I'm Destiny, remember that.
You're a man where always expose people, you know, sir. You see it?
That's a lie.
Yeah, man.
No. I do that to other people like when me and my friend, but when it come on to man, me not do that. Everybody know that. I'm the only trans woman that stand up for the straight community that's saying, don't sell them story, don't do them something there. Me not do that. That's a lie. That is a lie. You must see me all over TikTok. I tell people say, no trick straight man, no do them something there, don't expose them. Me not do them something there. You crazy? You never. If me do that, TikTok mash up.
Alright. You know, no lion, so me I could.
Me not give me lion, my love, because if me ever give me a lion, my love, me I go drop me 12-inch pan you. You go snow pan you. You go wind up at me cut me love. I'm a breedy and come in.
Oh, me not see comments, dog. Me not see comments them, bro. Hey man them boy, yo, Mark. Stop say no you. Why the fuck when I say He's a man that, bro. He's a man that charges. Stop says. Charges. Stop says.
What? Okay.
Jaden,
Yeah.
you know, so while I go to my company live, I'm seeing, I say, watch love.
No,
You know?
no.
I don't know. I'm just waiting for you to come and say, watch all of link up.
Yeah, but that laugh.
Yo, I think I edit video of that. Come on, brother.
You're going here in the morning.
That's so cute. Yo, your man make up back.
Yeah?
Your man make up back.
No.
Okay. Yo, Mumbo Clan.
I will take him off. Yo, but now I see comments them. Every time somebody come up, and now I see comment. Still now I see it again, you know. Still now I see it again, charge it.